Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1959 Chevy 3100 Apache step-side. If you're a fan of classic cars and or classic trucks, this is very special and an iconic vehicle. The Chevy Apache 1959. Absolutely beautiful vehicle here in Neptune green with Neptune green and black interior, which we'll get into a second. You can see the wide white wall tires. Paint is in excellent condition. Before we get too deep into it, I'll show you the black walnut wood bed. Again, done very nicely. But as we look around this vehicle, I'll tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida, on 301, just north of University, on the corner of Televast and 301. If you're not in Florida and you have an interest in this vehicle or anything else you may see on our website or in this video, don't hesitate to still give us a call or visit the website, as we are a full service dealership where we can offer you financing with classic car lenders that can and will finance classic cars. That is their specialty. And we have some late model lenders we work with as well. As I mentioned, if you're not in Florida, we can still help you out. Last year we shipped vehicles to 19 different states and 9 countries around the world. About 65 to 70% of what we sell does leave the state of Florida, so we are very accustomed to remote buyers and or sellers. If you're looking to sell or consign your vehicle, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit the website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. Here at Classic Cars of Sarasota, we do keep about 100 cars in inventory. Not going to go through the entire warehouse, but show you a little bit of what we have. About 80% of what you'll see is domestic classic cars. The other 20% will be exotic, European, and or luxury. Again, there's many more cars on the website. Please feel free to visit classiccarsofsarasota.com. But coming back to this beautiful 59 Apache step-side. It is fully restored, frame-off restoration, put back into factory condition. With the exception, it does have vintage air, which is an excellent addition. See the horns, the windshield wash, and an old glass jug. Again, just a great little vehicle here. Inline 6. Go ahead and connect the battery here, so when we start it, just to show you, it is a cold start here. The paint, as I mentioned, is in excellent condition. The chrome is in very good condition. There's a 3 on the tree. I got the suicide knob. Keys here. Make sure we're neutral. It does have the starter on the floor. You can hear the electric fan, see the vintage air. So I got it on. Starts right up. Again, it does have a modern radio. It is vintage looking. Behind the seats, there is a CD player changer as well. Again, the headliner's in excellent condition. Neutral here. Once you get out and hear the engine, you can hear the electric fan, which is critical to have with the vintage air. Make sure you don't overheat this inline six. But the engine sounds fantastic. Sorry about that. It just came down a little bit there. But again, engine sounds fantastic. Starts right up, runs extremely well. Exhaust. Vehicle sounds good. Rev it up just a little bit here. Again, very well running truck. 59 Apache, extremely popular and classic. Again, sounds fantastic. Go ahead and shut it off here. Get it in gear. Again, a very well restored 59 Apache. If you have any interest, please give us a call. Kind of hard to lift this up with one hand. I apologize for that. We can keep all the batteries disconnected while the cars are inside. But if you have an interest, please give us a call, 941-355-1955. Visit the website, classiccarsofsarasota.com, for more information on this 1959 Chevy Apache. Just an absolutely fantastic restoration. Beautiful truck. We appreciate you joining in today. Thank you very much.